we have this frying pan which is handled on rope, okay, and this pan is still in good physical condition, and this is the screw on the pan, broken pan. I search online for a frying pan holder handle, so this is what I have bought, and I will try to install this on the frying pan. Now I'm going to take out the screw from the frying pan body. See whether I directly screw the handle, the body. Okay. I tried directly to connect this screw to the new handle. Okay. But I noticed its screw is too short. Cannot even come out from the handle body to connect to the frying pan body itself. Now, since the screw is too short, so I want to measure the length of the screw, the original screw, with a digital vernier caliper, which is the length is 17.6 cm. Now I'm going to measure the depth of the frying pan screw hole up to the top surface of the black plastic material. So it is measured at 20.4 cm depth. Now I'm going to measure the depth of the frying pan handle, the screw hole. Okay, so just nice to put it out. So the measurement is 42.3 cm. Now I'm going to measure the diameter of the screw, because the purpose of doing is to buy a new screw. Okay, so I measured it to be around 4.7 cm. A few days later, after buying the screws. So initially I measured 42 cm. Okay. So I was not able to buy 42 cm. So I was able to buy 40 cm coolant and 45 cm. Okay. Okay, so I'll use this 40 cm. Okay. With a spring screw. Okay. Then one, two, screw here.
force it, slowly turn, tighten. Okay, is tight already, tight. Okay, so we're done. Okay, so now we can use this frying pan. Okay, so I use the 40 mm. Oh, sorry, 40 cm. Okay, thank you.
Toda.